right, guys, everybody, welcome back. A lot of you know what's been going on for this past year. If you're just tuning in for the first time, introduce you to Mara, my 69 Charger. And I'm going to do a little something that I've been thinking about for a little bit now. And I'm going to do a recap of my 2023. Probably one of the most exciting years I've had so far. I've been married. I've got 4 kids. I have had many exciting years. But when you have a dream of owning a certain car, or you have a goal for 40 years and it finally comes to fruition, it's one of those up there moments. So I got this Charger in July 23. And I'm going to take you through a few minutes of everything I've done from this original shell that I bought to where she sits today. A bit of background. It was originally a 318. I'm going to clone an RT, but I am going to put in a 23 or 220, I guess 2018 to 2023 Hellcat motor, 392 supercharged Hemi. That's my goal. But yeah, so I got it with no motor, no drivetrain, probably half of the interior, and just a shell. Body panels are screwed on, loosely aligned. I have built it to this. So enjoy the next few minutes, and hopefully you'll join me along the rest of the year with more to come. Starting in the summer, I'm going to have some more major builds coming along. For now, it's just the interior and what's left of that. So, hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.